Goodness, it's been too long. I'm sorry I haven't posted as much, but I just wanted to enjoy my break, like y'all of you guys. But hopefully I can post more. Also, hey, I'm back. Hopefully for a little bit. Sorry, I just wanted to take a break and enjoy my summer and whatnot. So, yeah. Enough of that. Whatever. Let's just get into the review. Final boss of construction vehicles. The best one. The bulldozer. Okay. So, this set comes with 3 minifigures. Comes with the driver, comes with a site worker, and it comes with like a site manager or something like that. And it comes with a cool little sign. And it comes with some debris, but I lost the debris. It's whatever. Alright. These guys, I'm done with them. I'm gonna move them this way. Alright. Give you 360 side view, front view, side view, and rear view. Okay. Please ignore the chair squeaking. It is a old chair. I mean, like, old chair. Like, 18 something. I'm just kidding. It's an old chair. Sorry. But this set has a ton, and I mean a ton of play features. Well, not really a ton, but it has a decent amount, and I really love this set. Okay. Let's start it off. Cockpit. Not cockpit. The driver's spot. Here, you can fit one minifigure, and that's about it. So, and one would assume treads move back and forth, turn it, open it. In here, you have a fully functioning engine for it. Holy crap, this chair's getting on my nerves. Okay, so now we get to the first feature. The rear. It comes fully down. I don't really know the name of this and this. I'm not that smart. So, fully down, really cool, really fun. The front, the bucket, or like the front of the comes down. Say, put little Mr. Construction guy right there, and then run him over. Sorry, that was a little grim. But, just, you know what I mean. This was a really short review, but, yeah. I would say, if I had to rate this thing, the definite rating on the set, I definitely have to give it, like, a 8 out of 10. Like an 8 out of 10. No, maybe 7. 7, because I'm moving it down, because if you have seen the original Lego City bulldozer, that thing was awesome. That thing was cool. It was cool. It's iconic. But I do like this theme, and as you can see, through the front grid, or grady, or whatever. I give up. You can see the engine, and also from the side, you can see the engine. There's the bucket. It has all the details. Like, there's front lights, detailed treads, and yeah. And what you can do with minifigures, you can put a minifigure on the top. Put him on top. Put him right there. Also put him in the driver's seat. Oh my god. This is hard to land. No. Okay. Get out of there. Okay. And then you got a bottom view. The bottom isn't really anything. It's a bunch of Technic. But kind of at the back of the set, right there, it's kind of just nothing. Kind of just nothing. And then in there, you can kind of see as I move it forward. It's where the track connects. Tread, sorry. Alright. But I would say this is a phenomenal set. This is a phenomenal set. Phenomenal, great set. I would say it's pretty good. But I think I might have some ideas for this later. How much armor plating do you think I could put on a bulldozer? I'm just kidding. Nah, maybe not. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Have a great day.